Hi guys, it's Gabby and welcome back to my channel. I'm back today with another sub box and mystery kit reveal. So this is for the September box. If you've ordered it and you want it to be a surprise, then stop watching now. But if you wanted to have a look, this video will be up before spots close and you wanted to sign up, then maybe this is a good video to watch. So I thought I'd get into the sub box first, and there's some really exciting new products this month as well, which I'm really looking forward to showing you. So this is just a bit of an overview. Because I am filming this quite early, the day before we actually leave to go on our holiday, so when this video goes up we'll be on our holiday, the pen for our September sub box still hasn't arrived. So just bear in mind there will be a pen as well, and it's very pretty, but I just didn't have enough time to get it here fast enough. Okay, so I'm just going to put this all aside and go through everything one by one. So the first thing you have in this month's box is of course some washi tape, and I've just got some new nails and it's very difficult to do anything with. So this is the washi tape. This month it is also foiled, which is only the second month we've ever done foiling. It's this really pretty reddy pinky purpley geometric background, and then it's got this silver foil grid throughout it. I just love it. I think it's really, really pretty. So that's the washi tape. Next, something we haven't done in over a year is a patch. So it's this really cute little lollipop. It's a fabric embroidered patch. You can put it on your planner because it's got a really strong adhesive back. You can put it on, you know, a backpack, a notebook, even like some clothing like a denim jacket or your jeans or something. But I just think that little lollipop is really cute. So that's another thing you get. Then you get your stickers, and I'll just go through all of the pages. So you can probably see a theme starting to emerge with what I'm showing you. So this is the first page of stickers that you get. You get 4 full half boxes. You get your today and to-do headers and some small and bigger flags. Your second page is also, you get 6 more full boxes and some appointment labels. Then your date covers, this page has changed a little bit. Then you get more appointment labels, a bill due, 2 sticky note stickers, teardrops, a drawing pin, and then some small icons. Then you have your appointment labels, weekend banner, habit trackers, checklist, well, round circle checklists, some more sidebar stickers, and the little lollipop again. Then you have your gorgeous deco sheet. So you have some girls, some florals, and then just some like little flat lays, a cupcake, sunglasses, all of that good stuff. Then you have your washi strips, some little things, some heart boxes, and 2 flags. And then you have your icons sheet. So you have like workout, laundry, coffee date, balloons, movie night, and then some glitter headers. And then this is something new that we've also done for this month. So previously you got some card divider tabs in a separate envelope, but we thought that maybe trying sticky tabs would be a good idea. So you've still got all of your word tabs up here, but then you get 9 of these divider tabs, and they're the same idea, except they stick together, so you can peel them off and then just fold them over your page, and if I can do it evenly, then they'll just stick on the side of your page like that. So let me know what you think of just the sticker tabs. I thought they'd probably be a little bit easier for you to use rather than having to get like the glue tape out or anything. You can literally just stick it down and then just put your tabs on top. So that is the sticker pack that you get. Next is your your sticky note. So this month, I'll just open it up. It is also silver foiled around the edge, and it's really simple. It just says notes, has a beautiful little floral pattern down here, and then it's just a grid background. I really like this. It's very, very functional. That's your post-it note. Then your quote cards. These are so pretty. So it's kind of cut out like we did in June. I love, instead of having like just circles and squares, the card's actually cut out around the shapes, and then it's just got little bits of, I guess, gold, silver foil kind of dotted around it. So this one says, "The world is full of nice people. If you can't find one, be one." This one is slow progress is still progress. This one says, "The best thing to hold on to in life is each other." That's by Audrey Hepburn. "Never forget your own worth." "She just shines." I think this one's my favorite. And then, "When you focus on the good gets better." So those are the 6 quote cards. Then you have your sticker album. So it's this really pretty geometric pattern. It's the same pattern in the washi, except it's got blues and pinks rather than like the reds and purples. So that's on the outside and on the back. And then on the inside, it's this really pretty abstract pattern. And as usual, you get 10 sleeves and our stickers fit right in there. That's the sticker album. Then you get your notebook. This one is so pretty. It's got those like candy hearts all over it, and it's got like "Love You," "Be Mine," "Puppy Love," "Soulmate," and the same on the back. And then the inside, we've actually got dot grids now. So it's a really nice thick paper, and it's all dot grid, which is so much easier to write on. You can bullet journal, you can do all sorts of stuff. So that is the notebook. Then the die cuts, and there's something new in here as well. So you have all of your normal die cuts here. You've got some florals, a little flat lay outfit, denim jacket, a little coffee cup and some books, and then some gorgeous girls. And then what you also received this month in die cuts is some clear acetate ones, and this is going to be really difficult to show you. So it's a clear acetate, and I actually did holographic foil on this, not silver, because I just thought the holographic looked way cooler. So this one, if you can see, is a little, what do they call them? Not mugs, tumbler. And on it, it just says "Hustle Hard." It's so cute. Then you have this little one, and it just says "Mixtape," and it's like a little cassette. So it's kind of really 90s and retro. Then you have a really pretty floral, which matches with this floral here. So you could always do some layering if you wanted. And then you have a bow, like a really cute holographic bow. So those are the die cuts. I hope you guys like those new additions. And then another new thing, which is something, it's really exciting, we've never done this before, is actually some transfers. So I think we're gonna have to show you how this works. So it just comes in a sheet like this, and you also get a popsicle stick. And so the idea is, I'm sure many of you probably used this as kids, or when I first started planning, I actually was going to scrapbook stores and using a lot of scrapbook things in my planner, and I used to buy these all the time and use them in my planner. And that's why like when we were making up the September box, I thought, oh, let's do these because they're so cool. So basically they're transfers, and it's a clear paper, and it's just got a backing to it. And what you do is you basically, to get these on the piece of paper, you use the popsicle stick and rub it on. So I kind of did one a bit earlier. So I prefer to like cut them out on the sheet, because then when you're rubbing, you're not accidentally rubbing like the other one. And I've done a few on here. So I did the floral here. And then I was just experimenting on this side. I've got the hearts and then the girl, and it's really nice and vibrant. And I thought I'd just show you how you could do it. And again, obviously you can use this in any planner or any scrapbook or whatever you want. So let me just show you. What I might do is get maybe another one of these hearts. I'm just gonna get some scissors and just chop around the heart. And then you just place it onto the paper and rub. and pull it off, and that's it. And it's really nice because it won't bulk up your planner either because it's completely flat. So it's like one of those transfer tattoos. Yeah, and so what we've done here, so we've got lots of florals, 2 of the girls, a little quote that says success is normally found in a pile of mistakes, and then I've done kind of like these washi strips so that you can, you know, to decorate, you can maybe put them on headers or wherever you like. So let me know what you guys think of this. I love it, and if you'd like to see them included in other sub boxes, just let me know, because I just think they're so cool and I'm so excited about them. So that is that, and then the very last thing is the papers. So as usual, just zoom out a bit more. As usual, you get 6 papers, vellum and an acetate. So this is the front of the first paper, just that really pretty floral pattern, and then on the back you've got this really nice abstract paint strokes with light blue and pink, and you get 2 of those. This next one is that geometric pattern. It's the same as the washi with like a marble and blue background. And then on the back of that, you've got more florals with the grid background and some little silver flowers all in between. So you get 2 of those. Then you get this really pretty silver foiled grid pattern with a marble background. I think that's just a really nice base to use with all of these other patterns. You can kind of mix and match it with any of them. So you get that, I'm sorry, and the back of that is just another abstract kind of paint swatch pattern, and it's got the darker reds and purples in it. You get 2 of those. Then your vellum is this really pretty pattern again, and it's got the hearts in it, some florals, and then a silver glitter through it. And then finally your acetate are these hearts with some silver foil. So that is the September box. I hope you guys really like all of it. Let me know what you think, and let me know what you think of the new additions. So the acetate die cuts, the patch, and these transfers. And now we'll go on and show you the mystery kit. And I just also wanted to remind you that the box does come with a pen, but as I said, it was a little bit delayed and it didn't get here before we leave, but it is really pretty gel pen. It's pink with pink crystals and silver hardware. So it's gorgeous. Anyway, let's move on to the September mystery kit. So this one, again, like the previous 2, you also receive a sheet of foiled stickers and a journal card. For this you will also receive a sampler, but again, I'm sorry, we're a bit overwhelmed. We haven't printed that out yet, but you also will receive a sampler. So for example, this is the August mystery kit sampler, so you'll get one which is the theme of the September one. But let's just get into the actual kit. So we use some gorgeous photography in this kit. I'm just obsessed with it. So this is the journaling card that you get, and it's in a gold foil. And you've got this beautiful vase in the background, and the quote says, "Be a voice, not an echo." And those colors are just really pretty. Actually, they match my jumper. So that's the quote card or the journal card. Next, you get your foiled sheet of stickers. So you get your 2 full box overlays. So you can pop these both over full boxes and you just get that extra little bit of gold foil. Then you've got 2 rows of bows, and then you have some icon stickers up here. So you've got like Instagram, glasses clinking, camera, lipstick, house, travel, like I think this with a girl could be good for like beauty appointment, a little camera, shopping, weights, calendar, all that type of like really functional stuff. So that is the foil sheet that you receive. Oh, and they're clear stickers. Then the actual kit is this. So as you can see, it's some really pretty like dark blues, purples and pinks, and this is the very first page that you get. So as usual, you've got your heart checklists, your sidebar, weekly tracker, your appointment labels, sidebar headers, sticky note stickers, habit trackers, and then lots of functional stickers. Then your second page, you've got your 2 weekend banners, to do and today headers, glitter headers, some more appointment labels, bill dues, and then heaps of drawn icons. Then your gorgeous full boxes. I just love how these turned out. So it's a whole heap of photography, and it's really like calm and, you know, on the bed and with coffee and beautiful florals. And then in the middle here it just says forget the mistake, remember the lesson. And obviously you get 9 full boxes, and these are some block headers. Then you have your to-do boxes, another sidebar box, and some more appointment labels. Then your half boxes, quarter boxes, and little things. Your beautiful bottom washi, which is again just these florals, and it's just got little bits of glitter throughout it. And then you've got your washi strips. Then your deco and date cover, so lots of small deco, 2 date covers. And then finally, the exclusive addition to the mystery kits is your double box. So if I just zoom in, I just wanted to show you this double box. It's beautiful. So we've used one of the photos and I've just popped in some drawings. So it's like this girl's feet. She's kind of sitting on the bed and she's got a book, candles, some clothes, her glasses on there, and then her phone. And I just think that turned out so beautifully. And then you've got some extra glitter headers. And then down here, you've got like some script words. So script stickers. Day off, payday, new releases, appointment, to do, but first, coffee, lazy day, Friday, happy mail, subscription payment, workout time, work, and no spend. So that is the September mystery kit, and hopefully by the time this is published we will still have some left over, but I do know that these are selling out really quickly because you guys are loving the extras now with like the journal card and the foil stickers. It just makes a really nice cohesive kit. Yeah, so I'll leave the link down below where you can subscribe to both of these and let me know what you guys think. And until my next video, I'll talk to you then. Bye!